Alright, so here's a pretty weird video.
This is DC and Pennsylvania's monthly combined. I'm combining them together because I only got one station for DC. Recorded 3, one failed, the other one I recorded a little too late. And the Pennsylvania test is also a DVR capture, so I'm just going to combine the two together. But DC monthly, it went smooth as always. Well, shouldn't say as always, but this one actually went smooth.
I DVRed WDCW, they failed, unless they relayed it after my recording, they failed. And then WJLA, I recorded a little too late, hoping they'd do a 50-minute timeout. They must have done a 45. Sometimes they do 45, other times they do 50.
But
I was able to get the guaranteed instant relay, and that's WETA. So here it is on WETA.
She does it though with some complicated.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
Her thinking evolved. Decades later, during another medical ethics debate, Keller sent a telegram to the parents of an infant.
Alright, so now for Pennsylvania's test, we actually have something interesting from WDVM for once. So,
a couple things actually. One,
instead of a 50 or 45-minute timeout like they usually do, no, it's 50.
They did a 1 hour timeout, and it went off during the news, which I found quite funny because this was one of the rare instances where they actually had audio, and I believe they pulled it straight from iPod's cat. So, let's check this out.
Painting on pumpkins, and I gotta tell you, look at that. It comes out looking darn amazing. That's fun. It looks like there's a. I would love somebody to show me how to do this. Look what she does with the blues on black. It's nice. It's really fun. See it next, right this minute.
Today at 8 on WDVM 25.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Correspondent Jesse Tenor breaks down the details of the plan and when parents can expect their kids.
Alright, that'll do it for this video. Thank you for watching.